All right, welcome to Pbteck. In this video I'm going to show how you can actually format your advanced S2 decoder. That's the quality combo decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu. All right, so when you come to the menu, you come to the utility. Okay, so utility, and come down to the second option. That's the factory reset. You press OK on it, and here it's requesting for the default password of the decoder, and the default password have to be 40 if no one have ever changed it. So you key in 4 zeros to proceed with it. So you can cancel it if you are not too sure of whatever you are doing. Alright, so you press OK, but know that after formatting it, everything will be gone. Alright, you need to scan for the channels once again. Okay, so you press OK to proceed. So you wait patiently for your decoder to reboot and you get a new program on it. Alright, so after rebooting now, there's nothing on the decoder, so you have to scan to do the necessary settings on your decoder to scan it and get back your channels. So you go to the menu once again, and here you come to installation, antenna settings. So the first thing should be the satellite. Look on the satellite that you need to select. You can select hotbed depending on the kind of channels that you are trying to get or the signal that you have. If it's multi-TV, you can even select Arabsat right here. And the next thing will be the TP. So you need to add a TP if it's multi-TV, MyTV or DSTV. And to add a TP, you need to go back to the TP list right here, and then you add. As you can see, you have green button or green to add command over there. So you press on the green button on your remote for the menu to pop up. Then you add your frequency. If it's multi-TV, you have to add 12525, vertical 30,000, and if it's a different TPs too, you need to add the same thing. Alright, so after adding, all you got to do is to go back to the antenna settings page. I'm not having a stable signal on it, so, and then you change the search option to either super blind or blind, and you press OK to proceed. Alright, you select yes to actually avoid those unwanted channels. Okay, and then you start searching to actually get, but make sure that you get a stable quality whenever you add the TP before you can proceed to scan. Alright, thanks for watching.